Hey everyone, Judd Burdon here from Asphalt Kingdom. I am so excited to be here today with not only a great friend, but an incredible leader with an incredible company called ADC Paving out of Louisville, Kentucky. Everyone meet Kevin Gray. Kevin Gray, tell us a little bit about your company, about your team, and the services that you provide to help people with their pavement assets.
Absolutely, man. It would bring me great joy to do so. I love my company so much. We are based out of Louisville, Kentucky. We are ADC Paving, and we're actually a third-generation family-owned and operated style business. My wife's grandfather actually started the place as Asphalt Driveways Company back in 1959, and what we have done is evolve that into ADC Paving, and we specialize in paving and pavement maintenance. We're a full-service paving and pavement maintenance contractor here serving Louisville and the greater Louisville and Kentucky area. We like to call ourselves Kentucky's #1 pavement specialist because we like to handle anything that you may have as far as pavement and your pavement needs. So we do pothole repair, milling and patch repair, crack sealing, seal coating, line striping, and then we do as much as full paving projects of retail centers, subdivisions, multi-thousand-ton paving projects, reconstruction. So we like to say we can handle it all, man.
Right on, right on. And I can tell you that I know Kevin, I know how disciplined and determined, and I've also had the opportunity to meet his team when we were driving through Kentucky just a few months back, and we were on the way to the National Pavement Expo. And let me tell you, they're a great group of guys. The culture in the company is phenomenal. You'll be sure to get great quality work from ADC Paving. And I'll tell you that it's going to be very, very easy for you to reach out to ADC Paving. We've created a form below that you can fill out to go ahead and reach them. And then what they'll do is get back in touch with you regarding setting up an appointment and providing you with a proposal that will provide you with outstanding quality, outstanding work, and ultimately either protecting your investment or laying out a new investment that then now they'll provide you with a summary and a solution to be able to manage and protect that asset for years to come. So with that being said, I know that you'd welcome anybody to reach out to you, right, Kevin?
Oh, absolutely. And, you know, that's the great joy that we get to be around every day in our business, is that we get to meet customers where they're at, hear their problems, hear their pain, and then it's on our responsibility to give them solutions, educate them, create maximum value within the budget they may have, within the vision and dreams they may have, and actually solve pavement problems and create solutions instead of just responding to the customer in like many contractors do and just give them whatever they want, whatever they may want to hear, and kind of just band-aid solutions. We want to look at long-term solutions. We want to look at protecting your assets, protecting your money, and creating a value-driven approach that's based on data and facts, and provide those answers. We want to become your partner. We operate a family business, and our customers are a part of that family, and we're going to treat you like that.
Well, you've heard it from the man himself, the president of ADC Paving, welcoming you to reach out regarding your pavement assets. Fill out the form below, and you'll be on your way to get communicating with a great company that will provide outstanding work. Thanks, everyone, for visiting this video, and I know that we're looking forward to communicating with everyone here in the future.